This is a video by Richmond. Today we're working on a Saturn S series and we're going to be looking into the AC expansion valve. This valve is a very important valve in the AC system. What it does is it meters the refrigerant into the evaporator. So we're going to look at its operation and location today. Now the expansion valve is located behind the intake manifold, right next to the firewall, right there. And it's held on by two 8mm headed bolts on this vehicle. Now, this line right here, this large diameter line, is the low pressure vapor line that comes out of the valve. And the smaller diameter line is high pressure liquid refrigerant that goes to the valve. Now we have one on the bench and let's take a look at it. Now here's a look at the expansion valve. This is where those lines you saw go into the valve. This is the large diameter vapor line and this is the small diameter pressure line. Goes into the valve. Now this is the end of the valve that goes to the firewall, which connects to the evaporator. Now if you look in there, you can see the sensing bulb, and down here is the metering valve. Now what happens is, as the vapor comes out of the evaporator, it hits the bulb senses what the temperature is and it adjusts the valve accordingly. If the vapor comes out too warm, it opens the valve, lets more refrigerant into the system to keep it at a predetermined temperature. And if it is too cold coming out, it will close down the valve. And that is the operation of the AC expansion valve.